A landscape video cropped to portrait isn't a short. It's a landscape video with its sides cut off. Here's the difference. Every platform demands a different shape. StudioCut turns one script into 3 genuinely native videos, directed for its shape, not cropped after the fact. Here's the mechanism. The aspect ratio is applied during the direction phase. Text, framing, safe zones, composed scene by scene for that exact shape. It isn't an afterthought, it's the blueprint. But here's what separates this tool. It knows the rules of every platform, so you don't have to. Watch the duration slider. Change the target platform, and it snaps to that platform's cap. TikTok, 60 seconds. YouTube, unlimited. The wizard encodes the distribution rules, so your content is always in bounds, always native. Now, the fan-out lever. The bulk import modal. Paste your source content once. Select 3 formats, and you get 3 productions, each properly directed for its shape. That's the moment one idea becomes 3 finished videos. 1 paste to 3 native productions. No rework, no cropping. And here's the result. 1 script, 3 formats, a landscape video for YouTube, a portrait for shorts and reels, a square for the feed, each one native to exactly where it will live, not cropped, directed. Start free at StudioCut.video. Next, what happens when you drive this from a spreadsheet, scaling from 3 to 300? Don't miss it.